If you want a soft and moist chocolate banana cake with chocolate chips, please keep watching.
Look for me. Damn, I walk the line. Always in the north side.
First, lay out all of your ingredients. Measurements will be given soon. Here I used 8 small bananas. If you get medium-sized bananas, you can use 4, and if you get large bananas, you can use 2. I'm adding 1 cup of milk and using a potato masher to mash it all together. So I'm mashing my banana with 1 cup of milk. We have our 2½ cup of sifted soft flour, and I'm adding a ½ cup of natural cocoa powder. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I'm adding in 1 cup of sugar. Using a whisk or a wooden spoon, mix all of your dry ingredients together. Set your dry ingredients aside. Now we are moving on to our wet ingredients. I have 4 eggs. If you have a blender, you can use it instead of the potato masher, but still leave some chunks in there. Now add in 1 cup of sunflower oil. You can also use 1 cup of melted margarine or melted butter. I'm using 2 tablespoons of banana essence. You can use 1 tablespoon. I just like it a lot. Add in your 4 beaten eggs. Here I'm adding in a pinch of salt, or I guess 2. Now add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix your cake batter. The batter is quite thick, so take your time to mix it well. It smells so good and it tastes so good. Here I'm adding in 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. You can choose to add a ½ cup or 1/4 cup. It depends on you. You can also bake in a 6-inch tin or an 8-inch tin. I chose to bake it in cups, hence cupcakes, and I baked it in a 170-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. All ovens are different. Make sure your oven is not too hot. Now this is our beautiful chocolate banana cupcakes with chocolate chips. Now you can see how soft and moist it is with chocolate chips in it, and it tasted so good. Oh my god, it was amazing. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.